What's up, DIYers? I'm Kirsten with Warehouse 71, here to show you how to build a raised garden bed from TimberTech Composite Fascia Board. I built this 4x8 raised bed in just a couple of hours and for under $150. Let's get started. For materials, you'll need 2 TimberTech Composite Fascia Boards and a 10-foot 4x4 post. I just used treated lumber. You'll need some common household tools and a table saw to cut the boards and put it together. Don't forget your safety goggles. First, measure and cut each fascia board into a 4-foot and 8-foot section. My jigsaw cut through these boards like butter. Next, measure and drill your pilot holes to give you a consistent fastener depth and much faster installation. Using the table saw, cut your 4x4 post down into 6 18-inch lengths. To assemble the sides, square up the edge of the fascia board with the cut post segments. Assemble with 3 fasteners on each post. I put 2 posts on the 4-foot section and 1 post in the middle of the 8-foot section. Out in the yard, attach the ends of the 8-foot sections to the post on the 4-foot sections. Make sure the boards are level before installing all of the fasteners. I easily did this by myself, but another set of hands would help during this part. With the bed assembled, it's time to install the footers. Dig out an 8-foot hole for each footer, put the footers in the hole and fill back in with the extra soil. The footers give you a sturdy bed that won't bow or move over time.
There you have it, y'all. That's how you make garden beds out of TimberTech Fascia Board. I'm really excited to fill this guy up with soil and compost to grow all my summer veggies this summer. I hope you guys enjoyed this and looking to sharing more ideas of DIY projects to make with fascia and riser boards made by TimberTech. Thanks, y'all. Bye.